Hey, Facebook, it's Courtney out here in Flyer Branch area. One of my repeat customers, Miss Kelly. I told her, I said, Miss Kelly, let me hit this rug for you just to see how much, because she said she was about to throw it away. And I said, you know what? Let me just clean it for you and see how much soil I get out of it. So let's take a look. I just basically pre-treated it with the same thing I pre-treated the carpets with. And you can see a big difference. Hey Ethan, tell Kelly let me see her for a minute. Miss Kelly probably have us out here about twice a year. Now this isn't any kind of fancy rug. That's why she said she was going to throw it away. But see, I just want to see how much soil I can get out of it. And as you can see, it's a big difference. It's like a burn stain. Hey Kelly, come look at this rug.
Holy shit! Use that in your ad.
Yes it is. Hey. Yeah, that's a big difference. Now you ain't got to throw it away.
I was going to take it out last weekend. It was so pretty and just try to scrub it with a brush.
Uh-huh.
And I vacuumed it, but what happens is I have a dog. My son has 2 dogs, and every time he comes over,
The dogs come out here?
dogs they're in the yard, they come up on this.
Yep.
But we're having a party Saturday.
Okay.
And, I will not let them on the scrub.
Oh, wow. There you go. That's why you called me back.
I am definitely. I might have to have you back after the weekend.
After the weekend, after the party. Man, it feels good out here. Now, I'm gonna tell you something that's hard to clean. I rarely do it. But that Sunbrella fabric, the outdoor fabric, is very time consuming. Okay, you have to treat, especially when it gets a lot of stains. I have a few customers, like in the Sugarloaf Country Club and St. Marlowe's. I've done it a few times. It's very time consuming.
Well, you know, the fabric on the couch is Sunbrella.
Yeah, it's not Sunbrella. Yeah,
Just the pillow.
just a pillow.
The curtains I throw in the washer.
Oh, so these curtains are Sunbrella?
Yep.
Okay. Well, good thing that no one sits on it.
The beauty of those
Uh-huh.